Hi, my name is Jason El Hiro and I'm from the Philippines. I am currently a public school teacher here, teaching senior high school, specifically Practical Research 1 and specialized subjects under Humanities and Social Sciences strands, which the medium of instruction is English language. Aside from that, I also teach early grades, specifically in elementary level, handling English subjects, and also in high school, teaching communicative and technical writing subjects in English. I am 30 years old. I finished my bachelor's degree in education, major in social studies at City of Malabon University. My master's degree in social studies at La Consolacion University, Philippines. And my PhD in educational leadership and management at the same university. Why I am qualified to this job, which is foreign English teacher. I love teaching English. Aside from that, I want to immerse myself to the rich culture and history of Taiwan. As a student of culture and history, I am very interested studying their local entity and identity, as well as its language, and I want to help Taiwanese learners to be more prolific in English language, just like what I did from my former students. I opted to teach in Taiwan because I want more professional growth and also financial stability. And that's all. Thank you very much and have a great day.